In this video, I will show you how can you remove data warning notification from your Samsung Galaxy Android phone. So let's get started. Method 1. Go to Settings. Tap on Connections. Tap on Data Use. Then find out Billing Circle and Data Warning. Tap on it. Now turn off the Set Data Warning. As you can see here, my data warning notification is no longer available. Method number 2. Tap and hold on the data warning notification. Now you will directly access the data use option. Tap on the billing circle and data warning. Then you need to turn off the set data warning. That's it. Thanks for watching.